we take 1170 and 1620 as an examples. When you use the nailer, you have to choose the right size thumb attack. For example, 1170 nailer use 11 mm thumb attack. Yeah. Okay, and you have to make sure the cap is thick. Okay, let's try 1170 to the button. Okay, let's try 1620 nailer. 1620. Okay, so we have to make sure the thumb attack is 16 mm. Okay, and you have to make sure the cap is thick. Okay, let's try. Very good quality and strong.